Welcome to Roger Adventures. On this video I'm going to show you how I painted this Thanksgiving rock themed with a turkey. I started by painting the background with orange paint. All the paints that I use are acrylic. If you want to know exactly which brands I use, I'm going to leave the descriptions of all the paints and other materials that I use for my arts and crafts. Also, if you have any questions, suggestions for future videos, let me know in the section below. On the background, as I said, I used orange paint and I put just a little bit of yellow to make a nice contrast on the background. You can do just orange or just yellow. The turkey I painted, basically it seems as you are doing a fan with the blades, and I actually applied 2 coats of the brown paint. I drew the body and the wings. I let it dry for a couple of minutes and then I started applying the red paint. I used orange, yellow, green and red. A tip that I would suggest you is to do the one color in all of the areas that you're going to use. For example, if you're going to use red, use it at the same time, paint all the red and then all the orange and so on with the yellow, green and blue, because it took me a while because I was doing each part of the color and then I changed with the different color and I had to wash my brush and dry it. So just as a suggestion, so it will be easier for you. And you don't have to use the same colors as I do. You can mix and match or do different colors. You can do as you please. Your imagination is the limit to your art. So on the wings, I apply yellow lining. So the wings can be more defined, and just do whatever you want with the wings. They don't have to be perfect. If you actually look at the wings, the left is smaller than the right, and also the placement of the colors is different, so it doesn't have to be equally exactly both the same color and the same pattern. You can do anything that you want. You can do actually just dots, and I would challenge you to go, if you haven't done it, if you haven't painted any rocks, I would challenge you to go out and buy some rocks, buy some paint. You don't have to buy all the colors, you just have to get the basic colors and paint, I don't know, maybe 5 or 6 rocks as this one and just give them away. You can coat it with resin, but the easiest thing to do is just buy at Home Depot or Lowe's a clear coat of paint, and it will look really nice. And believe me, people will be so happy that you did something personalized for them, and especially on this occasion for Thanksgiving. Or you can write the family name on the top of the rock, and it will make you feel good that you have given something to someone that it has your personal touch. So on this painting, I use these Posca pens. I have never tried them, but it is very convenient to use, especially on the fine lines or writing, and it's just nice. Let me know if you paint rocks, what do you use to do the small prints on the small lines, so everybody in the community that paint rocks and watches these videos will know the tips that you have for them. And at the end, I put a coat of glitter and I coat it with the resin. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you can receive announcements of my next videos. And I hope I will see you on my next video. Have a blessed day.